Business background. First point is, Kedai Kek Selamat is the business that owned by Solos. In December 2019, Solos started the business in small scale. They just rent a building to make the cake shop. After being operate about 2 months, the business has developed well and many customers has come to the shop. Second point is, the purpose of this business is to introduce the new and fresh side of the cake shop that has the unique taste and many types of cakes. Other than cakes, Kedai Kek Selamat also sell many types of dessert, pastry and bread. Third point is, Kedai Kek Selamat will open a new branch of his own building for the cake shop.
For the first year, in the month of January, Solos has been a business named Kedai Kek Selamat. He is investing 500,000 in cash. 2nd January, Solos supplied 50 boxes of cakes, which is 3,000 from daily cakes to in cash. For the 4th January, Solos has bought a van from Syarikat Keretaku for 12,000 ringgits by cash. 6th January, Solos has bought furnitures for 5,000 in cash for his company. 7th January, 15 boxes of cakes have been sold within amount 2,250 ringgits cash. 11th January, Solos has bought cake decoration for his business, has used 400 in cash. For the 13th of January, Solos has paid deposit for the rent for the facilities, which is 6,000. 15th of January, he has paid for the top-up mobile phones for office use, which is 70 ringgit. 18th of January, Solos has retail payment, which is 800 in cash. 20th January, he has paid stationery for business use, which is 200. 23, he has paid a premium insurance, which is 500. Commissions paid for the employees in 26 January, hundreds for each. 27th of January, Solos has paid for his 2 employees, which is 2,400 ringgit. 28, the salaries on to the manager is 3,005 ringgit, and Solos have tax 400 for his personal use. 31 of January, he took the cake from the store and gave it to his friends, which is 1 cake equals to 100 ringgit. That is the first transaction in January for Kedai Kek Selamat.
Today I want to talk about transaction for February. 1 paid 3,500 ringgit in cash to the manager for salary of in January. 2 paid creditors for salary both in January. 200 ringgit cash. 3 reserve 2,250 ringgit cash from debtor. 4 buy stock of 30 cake box 1,500 ringgit from Daddy's Cake Factory on credit. 6 sold goods for 1,000 ringgit cash. 7 bought a computer 4,500 ringgit cash from Kedai Computer Technic. 11 return damaged goods to Daddy's Cake Factory 500 ringgit. 13 paid rent for the month 800 ringgit by check. 15 customer return damaged cake 100 ringgit. 17 Solos withdrew 100 ringgit cash for personal use. 18 sold goods for Encik Rahim 500 ringgit by credit. 20 paid advertising expenses 100 ringgit cash. 23 renew insurance premium 500 ringgit by check. 26 sold good for City Salah 700 ringgit by cash. 27 paid top up mobile phone for office use 150 ringgit and paid salary for 2 workers 2,400 ringgit. 28 paid salary to manager 3,500 ringgit by check.
Journal. Journal is a detailed account that records all the financial transactions of a business to be used for the future reconciling of accounts and the transfer of information to other official accounting records, such as the general ledger. We have 4 types of journals, which is general journal, sales journal, purchase journal, and cash journal. As you can see on the video, the details for the general journal is cash, capital, van, furniture, equipment, stationery, and creditor. For the sales journal, the details are debtor, Encik Rahim, Siti Sarah, and purchase account. Next, for the purchase journal, the details are daddy cakes and debtor. Last but not least is cash journal. The details that have at the cash journal is accrued salary, creditor, debtor, sales, computer, drawing, advertising, telephone, and salary. That's all for the journal. Thank you.
Okay, now for the trial balance part. Trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account columns total that are equal. A company prepares a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of every reporting period. The general purpose of producing a trial balance is to ensure the entries in a company's bookkeeping system are mathematically correct. Okay, now as you can see at the slide, this is the trial balance for Kedai Kek Selamat at 28 February 2020. Okay, the trial balance has account name, debit side and credit side. For the debit side, the account name is advertising, bank, electric, cash, computer, dedicates, stationery, deposit, drawing, furniture, insurance, purchase, rent, salary, telephone and van. If we total the amount of debit side, the total is 104,710. Okay, for the credit side, the account name is accrued expense, electricity, capital and sales. If we total the amount of credit side, the total is same as debit side. 104,710. Okay, if the total is same, that's mean the trial balance is correct and balanced.
Okay, move to the income statement. Income statement is one of the three important financial statements used for reporting a company's financial performance over a specific accounting period, which is the income statement is important because it clearly states that whether a company is making a profit or not. That's why it also known as the profit and loss statement or the segment of revenue and expense. We already calculate the income statement based on the format, which is the sale is 4,350, and then we minus the sales return 100, and then we got the net sale 4,250, and then we less the cost of goods sold, include the opening stock 5,450, purchase 8,900, and then we minus the purchase return 500, and then we got the total is 13,850. And then we minus again the closing stock 4,610, and then we got the gross loss, which is negative 4,990, and then after that we minus the expenses, which is include the rent, advertising, salary, electric bill, stationery, and insurance, which is the total for the expenses is 14,880, and then we got the net loss is negative 19,870.
Okay, so for balance sheet, first we need to write the fixed asset. Our company fixed asset first is when, second furniture, and third computer. When furniture is cost 12,000, furniture 5,000, and computer 4,500. Total fixed asset is 21,500. So for our current asset, bank, cash, stationery, deposit, stock, and dedicate. So the bank total is 5,200, cash 46,330, stationery 80 ringgit, deposit 6,000, stock 4,610, and dedicate 1,000. So the total for current asset is 33,220. Next, our equity. Our equity item first is capital that cost total of 100,000. Then we must to minus with the net loss. Our company get a loss 19,870 ringgit, and then plus with the drawing 600, and we get 19,217. So the total of capital must to minus with the total net loss and drawing. So when we minus the total of 19,217, so we get 18,730 ringgit. Next is current liability. For our company just have accrued expenses, the electricity cost 360 ringgit. So the 360 ringgit we must to minus with the current asset 63,220 minus with 316, then we get 62,860 ringgit. So we must to plus with the fixed asset 21,500, so we get 84,360 ringgit.
As a conclusion, from the assignment, we found that our business, Kedai Kek Selamat, is gaining more loss than profit. Kedai Kek Selamat is not in a very secure financial position. This makes our business is quite hard to success for this year. For the net loss, we get about 19,870 ringgit. These flaws makes our business cannot be more advanced and cannot achieve the goal. And this loss is because of the expenses that we spend. We spend more on the expenses. At this point, the business does not have strong future prospect in terms of profitability if it continues along its current path. We hope that we will be able to fix the financial statement in future. Improvements are needed in every area of the business. We hope that Kedai Kek Selamat will success in the future and we can get more profit. We also hope this business will make the customers happy and satisfied. From this assignment, we found the appropriate platform to utilize our knowledge and skills in accounting and reporting. This assignment teaches us to make and use the basic knowledge of accounting by doing the journal, the account, ledger, trial balance, and as well as create our own transaction. This assignment is helping us to more understand and expose about accounting, and we believe that it will help us to improve our skill in accounting as we are non-accounting students. We hope that in the future, the skill that we have been developed through our learning process and completing this assignment will be beneficial to ourselves and others.